is a good Saturday morning at about 8:30. The going concern law firm workshop commences. The guest speaker, I believe, is the chief. Is it Chief Watson?
Yes, Chief Kwame Boateng.
Yes,
he's the executive chairman for KRG.
That is so.
It's a law firm. It's run since 2000.
Yes, and the Revered Victoria Bath.
Yes,
keynote address.
Precisely.
Exactly. So, Jeffrey.
Yes.
Tell us, what is the brain behind this? What I see as a lawyer to be a fantastic workshop for law firms. What is the brain behind it? What do you want to achieve?
And the inspiration really is this. We are lawyers. We go to law school. We are deemed to have the expertise to deliver legal services, top-notch legal services.
That is so.
But in delivering that legal service, we do so within the context of a business, a law firm. All right, that's if you are in private practice. And I observe, through some engagements, I observe that yes, you have the expertise, but then the business of doing something is entirely different,
which is not taught in law school.
Precisely. Yes, we do practice management, but we barely scratch the surface when it comes to the business of doing things.
I concur.
And I've also observed that a lot of law firms are springing up. Okay, lots of law firms also are unable to outlive their founders. All right, and so you take maybe the 1970s, 1980s, the big law firms that existed at the time, Lyons and Kwasi and the rest, they are no longer there. All right, I know it's one law firm, maybe some Associates, that has existed for 50 plus years. But the big question is what's happening to these law firms, sustainability wise, all right, longevity wise. And I just thought it wise to gather law firm leaders, get experts, people with experience who are willing to share their insights, to come and engage us, come and teach us the things that we ought to know in the running of our law firm businesses. The HR matters, the strategy matters, the technology matters, and all of that. Just so we can together build our legal service industry, have sustainable law firms that do not record high turnover rates and the like. And so essentially that's the inspiration behind this.
Which persons, respectfully, are going to address participants of this workshop? Which I'm a participant myself, and so that the next one, it will be a must attend for all lawyers and especially managers of law firms. Tell us the resource persons who are going to.
And so we have 4 sessions under 4 different themes. We have law firm structure, leadership governance models, as well as succession.
Great.
And for that, we have the revered Dr. Kweku Enusen. Great. He's founding partner of ABL Lexman and Associates. Great. We also have Dr. Nana Nyampong, Dr. Frank Nyampong. He also runs Franklin and Partners, a venture capitalist, an insolvency practitioner. He's an expert in his field when it comes to the structuring of entities. Then we also have Thelmateria. Thelmateria is a familiar name for most law students because we patronize her notes back in law school. But Thelmateria brings a wealth of experience when it comes to business development, corporate strategy, extensive years at ENS Africa and the like. We have Edwin Kwedo Lecha. He is managing partner of Edfields. He's a chartered marketer for so many years. And I've observed firsthand how he's applied that experience to the operation of his law firm, having some mastery in the area of mining and the natural resources. Then we have Desmond Israel. He's the tech genius, the tech law genius. A guru in his field when it comes to cybersecurity, data privacy, and whatnot. And then we have two others. We have our HR practitioners. We have Mr. Eric Adadevo. He's the Chief Human Resource Officer for Airtel Tigo. Prior to that, he was Director in charge of HR for Guinness Ghana. And he's a lawyer as well. And so he brings that blend of the law as well as HR practice. Then we have Nancy Awotri. She's also an HR practitioner, but not a lawyer, but extensive experience when it comes to talent retention matters, HR matters, and all of that. So it's a lineup of well-versed people in their areas who are, for me, most importantly, willing to share their insights.
That's fantastic.
So Jeff,
I want to applaud you personally on behalf of the law platform.
Thank you very much.
For doing such a fantastic thing.
Thank you very much.
And personally, as a young lawyer, I always get the smiles when I see my learned friends do big things. I wish you the best.
Thank you very much.